So you all know about the force of friction and that it opposes relative motion. So I have a cart here, concentrate on its wheels. So I mark a point of contact on one of the wheels.
This is a bindi.
And see, this is the point of contact. Now observe the motion of this point of contact with respect to the surface. Now if I say that this cart comes to a skidding stop. Now what is skidding motion? Skidding motion is like this. This is not rolling. There is difference between skidding and rolling. Skidding is simply sliding on the surface with no rolling motion. It's like this. Whereas rolling is this. So if this cart comes to a skidding stop after some time, so what will be the direction of the force of friction? It will oppose this relative motion. The displacement is in which direction? The displacement is in this direction, and the force of friction will oppose this relative motion of this point of contact with respect to the ground. So it will be in the direction exactly anti-parallel to the direction of displacement. Exactly
Anti-parallel to the direction of displacement.